Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to upload and manage files in Squarespace 7.0. Unlike most website builders, Squarespace 7.0 does not have a central media library button, so you actually have to use the link editor. Let's get right to it. The absolute best trick to just upload and store a file is using your Not Linked section. Go to your Pages menu, scroll down to Not Linked, and click to add a new link. Click the gear icon to open the link editor, go to the File tab, and upload your document. You can actually just delete that link right after, and your file stays safely saved in your website's hidden backend storage. If you actually want visitors to click and download a file from your text, simply highlight the words in any text block. Click the link icon in your text toolbar. Hit the gear icon to open the link editor and select the File tab. From there, you can upload a brand new file or select one you already saved. You can do the exact same thing with buttons and images. Just add a button or image block to your page. Click the pencil icon to edit and look for the link or click through URL field. Click that gear icon again, select File, and choose your upload. Now whenever a visitor clicks that button or picture, your file will open right up. And that is it. Your downloadable files are officially live. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.